Sounded kind of like a bird. Is it the worm? Pop out of the wood.
Gordon,
There
where
we
are
are.
you going?
Where do you think?
What's the matter with you? Don't you want to be our friend?
You have a funny way of making friends. I'm lucky I haven't been hugged to death or eaten.
Okay, I admit we're not at the top of our game, but you can't throw us out just because we've made a few mistakes.
I'm just doing my job.
Uh-huh, sure. I take it blasting your way through hordes of allegedly psychopathic puppets is a normal day at work for you, Seriously, Gordon, who hurt you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
No? So you were just born a bully?
I'm not a bully.
Surprised you're not a detective. They're always bashing down doors and brandishing guns. Or maybe a GI. Give you a chance to rampage through some small defenseless...
Don't say that, Ricky.
Say what?
Don't talk about the war.
Why not? Just saying. Seems like exactly the sort of place you got.
So, presumably we're a war vet, which I kind of got an idea of. Okay, and that's just into the maze. Okay. That's a door. Detour? Wait, where am I detouring to? Oh, wait, apparently I didn't pick up everything from the safe room. Hold on, just gonna grab what's there, because I am kind of running out of stuff. There's also apparently a door over here that's locked. Where is it, actually? It's like upstairs? Where's this? There it is. Locked. I mean, I figured that it was locked, but I figured I'd, like, I don't know, get a reference for where a key might be, see the symbol on the door. I don't know. Yeah, what is that noise? And this. That it? Yes. Is it really in here? Alright, whatever. We're going to that door then. I got nothing better. I literally have nowhere else to go, so here we go. Alright, where does this go? Off limits to visitors. Uh-huh. Fuck was that? A dog? Thanks for the ammo. No power. Okay. Do we really need a loading screen? Okay. Giant pit. Is that a dog door? Oh, it is! It's for the thing I saw, I guess. It was the puppy thingy. Ammo. Huh? Oh, the green key!
Use this to dissolve whatever's blocking the elevator in the hotel.
I thought we did deal with it. Was that a different elevator I was thinking of? Okay, whatever. Sometimes jam clogs up the hotel elevator. If this happens, you can unstick it by applying this compound. Add the following into the mixing station bottles. Jug of Lumalux film developer, gallon of weed out weed killer, tub of Virtuoso trumpet polish. Turn on the water using the tap. Press the following buttons for the indicated times. The final solution will be dispensed below the mixing station. Cool, and there's the key. Nice. Okay, so I know what I'm doing now. I gotta find the jam solution. Or, like, the parts for it. Okay. I have a green key now, at least. What? Oh! Oh!
Poor pups. Probably haven't been fed in a long time.
Oh! I can find dog food. Okay, well, that's an objective I have now. I'm not opposed to feeding dogs. I'm just... okay, I guess. Last night I was watching a rerun of one of the old newsreels from the war when one of the stories jumped out at me. In one operation, a platoon of our soldiers found themselves trapped in a collapsing mine. As they ran to the entrance, one of the timbers supporting the tunnel began to fall, until a private, Joshua Hartwright, caught it on his shoulders. As he held up the wood, his friend scrambled out under his outstretched arms, until after everyone else was out, he let go, and the tunnel collapsed in on him, burying him forever in the earth. When I heard that story, I felt a mixture of emotions. Pity for the waste of human life, anger at the injustice of war, but most of all, I was horrified. Horrified that a person might have to do such a thing. Horrified that it was being held up as an inspiration. To lay down your life for someone else, to lose everything. To have the veil torn and the scraps of your life vanish into nothingness. How could anyone ask someone else to do that? Who would do that voluntarily? And if you don't, do they call you a coward? Fridge is empty. Of course it is. Never easy to feed the dogs. Oh, so generous with ammo right now. Thank you. I am so low on the stuff. Cool. So that room's done. And I go to the other one. Triangle key. Uh-huh. Health. Power pack. Oh, I can power the elevator. Somehow, life in the city doesn't seem as enjoyable as it once was, and I don't just mean because of the economy. I feel a burning anxiousness, a constant sense of missing something. That saps the enjoyment from my normal activities and makes everyday discomfort almost intolerable. On the subway, people's elbows jab into your personal space. Angry pedestrians yell at you on the streets. When I finally get home from work and snap on the television, I breathe a sigh of relief. Compared to the world outside, television is safe. Predictable. I can choose what to watch and avoid what feels uncomfortable. For a few moments, I can escape the anxiousness and become lost in a world of pleasant dreams. Okay. So I got the battery pack. I guess I can turn the elevator back on. Anything else here? Well, wait. This area has a legend? Greenhouse. Did I miss something in the greenhouse? I thought I picked everything up. Apparently I'm not very good at picking everything up. Really? Oh. Was that it? Oh. The tank empty. I guess it's just red because I haven't finished using this room? I don't know. I actually genuinely don't know. Let's hope it was something minor. Okay. Yeah, just turn on the elevator, I guess. I got the power pack for it now. Wonder where it goes. Anyway. Is that not it? Oh. Down we go. I don't know where this goes. Down into the sewers, maybe? I mean, maybe that's my way back in? Eh, I like being right. Ray, bugger off. Okay. So there's a green key there, so I want to go there. I think it's probably safer just to go this way, though, right? I think there's just less enemies. What? Die. Okay, I guess. Maybe I was wrong. Okay, I might have been wrong. Nice. Ray's lair. Stay away. Oh, well, thank God I'm entering.
Hey, that's not gonna fix it.
It's trash everywhere. And that's the pump piece. Oh, hi!
Yeah, I fixed it. I just... Look, when you've got a problem, you can't just clam up and start hitting everything with a wrench. That won't fix anything. Good.
Oh.
Well, I'm going now.
Oh, and it's clean in here now! Gordon helped Ray. Achievement unlocked. I have to be able to help the first puppet then. There's no way I'd be able to help every other puppet except that. Because, like, I can also help the dogs. No, I surely should be able to help her, right? Go that way. I'll keep heading the way I'm heading. Fly away. Goodbye. Alright. So, there's a green key in the next room. Let's see what that unlocks. This. That's the way to the aviary. I literally...
Go to the park. Bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflower seeds. For squirrels, you can bring peanuts. For dogs, you can bring squirrels. For the sewer grate, you can bring yesterday's leftovers. For the sand pit, you can bring whatever's in your trash can. For the ambient environment, you can bring a punk rock band that practices in your neighbor's backyard shed. And for me, your bestest friend, hey, oh!
Yeah, anyways. What's in here? Oh, is this a film room? Business news bites. The city has been recent economic downturn as a new wave of corporations has emerged, characterized by aggressive policies that place profits before the well-being of consumers. One such corporation, Nebu Enterprises, has been acquiring real estate at a rapid pace, in many cases evicting the current tenants as part of the program to reshape the city into a community more conducive to its business practices. You can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs, said Ronald Richardberg, CEO of Nebu, in a recent interview. While it may be painful for some, we are helping to create a better city that can withstand this future. Stand? That's an interesting choice of words. And that's the reel I was missing. I knew there was a fourth one. Now I need to drop off a bunch of stuff. Full.
Welcome. Hey!
Good talk. It's this room? Yes. But that's the reel I was missing. I knew there was one missing. Alright. Drop stuff off. Is there a quick stash? No. I don't think so, at least. I don't need those. That's just the front door key, so I don't think I need it anymore. Is there anything I want to take with me? I don't think so. Do I really need the red key anymore? I'm not sure I do. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I need the red key. Mostly because I've just used it for like a ton of rooms already.
Hey there, kids. I live in your teeth. We're all friendly here.
Ignore him, save ammo. Cool. Now, I can pick up you. And pick up you. And this room's done. Cool. So that's the film developer I need for the goop thingy. That's just bricks. What else could I really do right now? I mean, put the film away. I've helped Ray. I can't get into this locked door, can I? It's locked with an electric latch. And I can't... Yeah... The boats are still broken, right? I don't think there's really anything else to do in here, honestly. Because, like, I've helped Ray, I've gotten the film developer, I got the thing to go to the next area, like the aviary. Yeah, I think I'm honestly where I should be. I'll go back up the elevator. Maybe I'll revisit the bird gal thingy to see if I can help her. Because, like, every monster up to this point that I found, sorry, every puppet, we're not discriminating here, has had a method for me to help them. So, maybe there was just a method to help the original one that I missed?
I can see wires and chips and a big tool running right to the back. What do I eat? Oh, I eat the channel that never watch.
Okay, so go back up, and yeah, do something. Oh yeah, there's rooms in the original area that I couldn't open, like green key, right? The first stage had like green key based rooms, I think. Or like different keys that I only just acquired. Wait, what? What the? Alright, that's the sign to leave, I think. Am I just meant to juke him? I think I am, because I don't think I can actually knock him out. What? What the? Maybe I did get him. Okay, I did apparently. There's 3 of them, right? At least I saw 3. There's number 2. Run. And we're out. Wait. Okay. So at some point I need to get dog food for those guys and get back in. What? Oh, that's your tongue. Who the hell is that? Wait, who's that? Wait, who are you? Oh, you're the statue! You're the statue! There was a statue out here. You're... Well, that just happened. I kick the ass of a statue. Alright, cool. Why are the dogs in here now? I am very... Oh, come on. Get in, get in. Okay. Why was the dog in here?
Bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflower seeds. For
Wait,
squirrels, you can bring peanuts.
not
For
the...
you can bring squirrels. For the sewer grate, you can bring yesterday's leftovers.
Wait, what?
For the sand pit, you can bring whatever's in your trash can. For the ambient environment, you can bring a punk rock band that practices in your neighbor's backyard shed. And for me,
Wait, what?
best
I don't have a map for this area?
just bring a friend. Hey, hey, hey!
This area doesn't have a map? I thought I collected a map for this area. Guess I'll explore for a bit.
I'm a craft monster. You can ask, and I'll give you a craft. I like to start with pipe cleaners to give myself something to make shapes out of.
Alright, been a while since I've been in here. Green door. What do we got here? Playground key. Playground key. That's what I needed. Is there nothing else? It would help if I know this leads to the shooting range, but maybe there's a map in here I missed? Because, like, they only put the maps in safe rooms, if I recall correctly. Oh, come on. The one time I take out the red key... Ah.
If you can draw, you can do all
Alright,
sorts of
fine.
things.
I'm gonna have to find a safe room.
Let's go
Woo.
on an adventure.
So low on ammo. You got one of them.
Get off of me! Oh, jeez.
Here are my favorite colors. Red, orange, red, blue, red plus blue, 7, another D, 11, 7, red,
Yeah. Oh, it is a safe room. I was gambling because I didn't actually know. Take. Take. I think I probably should save. I am actually in kind of a rough spot that may or may not mean I have to try again. I have so few ammo. Okay. Green key, red key. I don't need this yet. Got that key. Stash. Those for emergencies. Keep the reel on me? I don't know. I honestly don't. I'll stash it mostly because I know it doesn't work with this area.
Are you my new friend?
Ignore them. Cool. Now I should be able to open the red door down here. So many ammos. I had so much before and I suddenly used like all of it. Cool. That scares me. We'll come back to that. There's two of them. Okay. What? Huh? My Friendly Scandal. Richie Bromine, known for playing Steve on the long-running children's show My Friendly Neighborhood, is leaving that production after one of the puppet performers, Ray, attempted to hit him with a clothes iron during an on-set conversation. The fracas erupted after Bromine had made critical comments about the show's creative direction, including creator Al Gerswald. According to eyewitnesses, "It's always been like this on set," said Bromine in an interview. "It's not just Ray. Pearl, Goblet, Ricky, they're all crazy," he added. "This has been a long time coming. No one takes me seriously because I'm on My Friendly Neighbor. I'm ready to have a career that's more widely recognized." Who's Ricky again? Pearl was the Ray and Goblet. Pearl. Who's Ricky? Pearl was the bird thing. Goblet was the guy watching the movie. Ray is the plumber. Who's Ricky? I don't think we've met them yet. There's a code. What? Does this do anything? Great. Guess I'll figure out what these are. It is a door. Secret. Cheat unlocked. Where does this go? Does this just lead out the front? Oh, it does. Okay. I didn't know this was a doorway, honestly. The novelist. Oh. Wait, that's the plaque for the shotgun, wasn't it? Uh-huh. Guess... that's the door we went through. Guess we open this. Where does it take us? Anywhere neat? Oh. It took me here. You alright over there, hun? You sound like you're having a very big mental breakdown. Uh-huh. I'm gonna have to use the grenade to get through the crowd of many puppets.
Lunch is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that...
Cool. Great. Great. Awesome. Phenomenal. No, I have to. I actually have to, and this sucks. Where am I now? Oh, for that's a problem. Bad dog. Dogs are so annoying to get through. I don't have ammo. Is there a map in here that I just missed? No means. Oh, I missed this. Finally got working. It's a real beaut. I think I'll call it the stenographer because it shoots letters out of the index. Shouldn't be dangerous at all, but I'll give someone a clunk if they get hit on the head. Should be useful for security, special effects, fun, etc. Hank. Okay, apparently I missed that. Ricky Bromine. Or Richie, even. Oh, Ricky is the sock puppet. Okay, no, that makes sense. I'll be honest. I forget he exists. So this is presumably Richie's room? I guess.
When you go back...
I've learned to use my wrench better, at least. This is the Pearl area, right?